Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress for website design. First, understand the distinction between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. The latter offers more control. Next, select a dependable web hosting provider and register a unique domain name for your site. Many hosts offer simple one-click WordPress installation, making the setup process incredibly straightforward. This initial setup typically takes less than 10 minutes, getting you ready to build. Once WordPress is installed, the next step is choosing a theme. There are thousands of free and premium themes available, offering diverse designs for every niche. You can easily customize your chosen theme's appearance through the WordPress customizer, adjusting elements like colors, fonts, and layouts. This allows you to align your website's visual identity with your brand, often without writing a single line of code, giving you full creative control. To enhance your website's functionality, WordPress offers an extensive plugin directory. You can find plugins for almost anything, from search engine optimization and security to e-commerce and contact forms. Installing and activating these tools is simple, often taking just a few clicks. Properly configuring plugin settings can significantly boost your site's performance and user experience, adding powerful features that would otherwise require complex coding, saving you countless hours. With your theme and plugins in place, it's time to create compelling content. WordPress's intuitive block editor makes adding pages and posts straightforward, allowing you to easily incorporate text, images, and videos. Remember to optimize your content for readability and search engines. Before launching, conduct a thorough review of your entire website to ensure everything functions correctly and looks polished. Then, with confidence, make your site live for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.